On him are pizza, hot dog, Slurpee, and the rest of the objects who came to stop him. Not so fast, coronavirus! Pizza and your friends! That's right, we're here to stop you. You have been making everyone sick and spreading disease all around town. And we're giving you one last chance. If you stop spreading germs, your sickening days are over. Over? No, wait! Come back! I didn't mean to say that. Aw, poor coronavirus. Aw, don't worry, Slurpee. I know a way to make the virus feel better. Coronavirus, there's no reason to cry about. Perhaps it would be helpful if you make Object Town fine again. Really? Yeah, just eat this bar of soap and you'll have the ability to make all the germs go away. Okay.
Oh yeah!
Time to make Object Town squeaky clean!